Rob, Kate, and I are doing a staycation at the resort. To do that, we need to get some supplies. So that is what we were doing. I absolutely hate wearing a mask, so that's why you'll never see me filming in stores because.
Imagine having to go up 12 flights of stairs.
That would be tough. All right, we're in 1257.
I'll keep the door open for them.
Now hold on. Yep, now push. There you go. Hello.
Hello.
All right, so this is our room.
Really nice.
Yeah, wait.
Look at the view.
This is only half of the room.
I know, but it still has a great view right here.
The balcony will be through that door once we get it. Oh, look at how cool this is.
I have no idea how to open this thing. All right, there.
Ooh, it's kind of small, but
Big.
not bad. It is cold out here. Ooh, I'm going back in. Oh, yeah, look at this.
Look at the giant dinner table. Look at the giant wardrobe.
Oh, this isn't a wardrobe. This is a bed.
What?
Oh, cool.
Look.
Yeah, we got a couple of fridges, a big TV.
Another huge bath. Wonder what this is.
Another closet.
Yep.
Super sweet, eh?
It's not too big, not too small, not too medium.
All right, so what do you guys think? Do we have a pretty good hotel?
Awesome. Did you keep the balcony open?
No, we'll keep it open like this, but we're gonna keep the door closed so we don't get freezing cold. What you doing?
Hello.
Lunchtime? I love my kids' shoe selections.
It's so cold.
I know.
What second is it? Oh my god.
That one's way warmer.
This is almost completely submerged in
Oh! 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 So close!
yelling, Dad. Dad, could you stop yelling?
What do we do? Do we win it? Oh, you iced him out, Rob. Give him 5.
Yeah.